I bought with battery and I hold my old battery. Oh, police already catch. Without helmet. If no helmet. Checkpoint today. Yes, today checkpoint with Mabalacat and another side is Angeles. Police station 4.
Hey,
Hi guys.
hey.
Checkpoint, you help to police to checkpoint?
Yes.
Because so many not use helmet maybe.
Yes.
Are you working in police academy or where?
No, we're
We're an OJT student.
Students and help. It's my life Philippines.
subscribe, huh?
Yes, thank you very much. Also driver license check. Oh, soon start rain. Before rain I need to go home. Oh, so many people going to the jeepney. A jeepney go to Mabalacat, from Angeles to Mabalacat. Severa. Severa is far. Jeepney. But time now 4:40. 4:40. Diesel 5285. Excuse me, to Angeles Premier Resident to Candy, how much?
150.
100 is okay.
Okay,
Okay. I am tired, so I will take jeepney or jeepney trike for 100 peso. This is a tricycle. It's the regular tricycle in the Philippines. Oh. With door, also have door. You see how to close door. Guys, because I am tired, really, I am walked so many today.
Remove this, very hot.
Ah, he won't remove. Remove door. Where you put door? Ah, here. It's good. So. Traffic now. Here my friend have accident in this area. This is tricycle driver hit or bump this car, so damage this part, bumper also. Hi.
Oh, you will start it now?
Yes.
This car is very not in paint.
So you paint with this car, damage bumper and damage back door. Back door. Mm-hmm.
There is damage here, accident.
Mhm,
And there is a 2 days job only. So
Only 2 days. So you can fix this one for 2 days. How much need pay for if people come to your shop for one part? For example, one bumper. How much need pay?
per panel is the
One panel.
3,500.
3,500.
Yeah.
One panel is 3,500.
Yeah.
It's already included
Depend on
polish.
the damage also.
Oh yes, if it only paint,
Yeah.
not only scratch, only scratch.
Yeah.
If damage, of course, little bit need to pay more.
It's additional for the accident damage.
Any car you can repair.
Yeah, and even big damage, total loss also we had the repairing.
Okay.
You will call me that
Mhm.
when I'm busy.
This one,
Yeah,
this number.
yeah. Right.
Okay. Unfortunately, have damage. Hey, it's okay, para po. This is my motor. So. Thank you. So I put new battery for my motor. Start train soon. So Georgi now. Georgi will go 5 o'clock already. He go to take video and walking street. He already prepare camera. Where camera, Georgi? He always put in his pocket. Even umbrella, I know. He sometimes put umbrella in the pocket. So I go to home right now. Georgi go to walking street. Thank you for watching. I already buy new battery. So you can watch already video. See Georgi. Now I can start. You can see. How many? 12 volts. Easy. 12 volts. I already use this motor 20,500 kilometers in the Philippines. I bought new 00 before. Okay, see you Georgi soon.